Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. My name is Eka Juniarti, number 3.41.19.2.9 from Accountancy. Today I will presentation my final project of proposal and then title Activity-Based Costing System Analysis as Determining the Cost of T-shirt Production on Confection and Screen in Not Printed Gal. Structure of presentation: Number 1, introduction. Number 2, literature review. Number 3, research method. The introduction consists of background, statement of the problem, research objective, research benefit. Number 1, background. The rapid development of the technology in today's modern era make companies to try maintain competitiveness in the business world. It is in that the company has competitive advantage over the companies and is able to improve the quality of appropriate product so that they can attract consumer interest. But every consumer wants product that suit their needs and test with high quality and affordable prices to maintain its competitiveness, while to determine to appropriate price, not too expensive and not too low. To determine the price, is it necessary to determine the correct cost of production because the determination of the cost of production is not appropriate. The selling price of the product will be too high too low. A more accurate determination of the cost of production can be done with the right method. One of the methods is an activity-based costing system because this system, in addition to using cost driver based on unit. This system also identifies cost drivers that are not related to unit or production volume. Activity-based costing is activity-based information system, which is designed to obtain a correct product cost calculation and motivate personnel to reduce costs in long-term track activity process, which is intended to mobilize and direct all organization activities to product or service provider for customer satisfaction. Determination of cost of product according to Mulyadi can be done by several methods, namely full costing and activity-based costing. Full costing is the right method companies the product one type of product. Meanwhile, company that product more than one product use the activity-based costing method. According to Blocker, Edward G. Stewart, David E. Kokinsgreri, activity-based costing is costing approach that assign research costs to cost objects such as product, service, or customer based on the activities performed for the cost object. Not printed is a small industry that produces various kinds of a t-shirt, such as long sleeve ribbed shirt, regular short sleeve t-shirt. Not printed is located West Mijasam Village, Kramat District, Tegal City. The fact in the film saw the business run by not printed product. Various types of the t-shirt such as a long sleeve ribbed t-shirt, regular short sleeve t-shirt, where the determination of cost of production is still using the conventional system, which is based on habit that only collect expenses that have been made for production activities, then divide by unit product. The determiner of the selling price in the t-shirt industry is largely determined by the price given by competitor and then product price determined by the buyer of consumer. so the price of a course sometimes do not match what the producer wants. Based on the exciting theory fact, it saw that there is a gap, namely that determining the cost production using the conventional system in the distribution is not used accurately in determining the cost of production accurately. As a result, the determinant of the selling price of the production and the determinant of the company profit is also inaccurate. The concept of activity-based costing is considered appropriate to creating company efficiency because the concept cost record in the cost of product is based on activity carried out, where the concept of activity-based costing is indeed use a calculation the cost of production that product more than one type. This results in expect to product concept regarding activity-based costing in determining the costing of product and is expected to provide benefit for other researchers who wish to propose the same thing. Based on the above background, it is necessary to analyze the activity-based costing system to determine the costing of production. These are for conversion and screen printing in non-printed legal. Statement of the problem based on the description of the background of the problem above. The problem can be formulated as follows. How to determine the cost of production using the activity-based costing system method on conventional non-printing t-shirt screen printing. Research objective. The objective to the achieved in the research or the describe and analysis determinant of the cost production of ordinary short shelf t-shirt determinant based on the activity-based costing on confection and non-printed t-shirt. Benefit of research. The benefit of the research are expected to provide the benefit and knowledge for parties who need or have interest. The benefits that can be obtained from the research are to development and compare the knowledge gained by the author during college with the reality that occur in the workplace. This research is expected to provide insight and knowledge about the cost of production so that the author can compare or apply the theories obtained during the lecture with the conditional in the reality. In addition, this research is expected to provide additional information and input as well as a discordant suggestion intake policy for determining price through production with more than one product. Number 2. Literature review. Understanding activity-based costing. An activity-based costing, according to Mulyadi, is a cost information system that provides complete information about activity to enable company personnel to manage activities. Activity-based costing is costing approach that seeks research costs to cost objects such as product, service, or customer based on the activities performed from the cost object. The basic assumption of the costing approach is that the company product or service are the result of activity and the activity use result that costs. This concept of activity-based costing. According to Mulyadi, the activity-based costing approach is founded to core belief the cost is cost and the causes of cost can be managed. Conditional cost of the need for an activity-based costing system. The conditional the underlying the application of the activity-based costing system according to Supriyono. 1. The company produces several types of products. 2. Non-unit level factory overhead costs are laid. 3. Product diversity. Number 3. Research methodology. Data classification consists of according to its nature and type of data by sort. According to its nature, type of data used in this study include qualitative data. Qualitative data that collected on information related to the problem. The qualitative data in this research in qualitative type based of explanatory research, namely research whose purpose is to reveal or explore or explain in the certain variable, and this research is descriptive. The study will examine for deeply for calculation using an activity-based costing system in determining the cost of product with not practical position. Quantitative data. Quantitative data according to Sugiono that in the form of number. According to its form, quantitative data can be processed or analyzed using mathematical or statistical calculation technique. Type of data by sort. According to the source, the type of data used in this study include a primary data. Primary data, namely data obtained directly, include document company in the from historical development structure and other related to research data primarily which use to study this and into the respondent that is owner nor together. The secondary data. Secondary data according to Sugiono definitely secondary data as follow. Secondary source are source of data obtained by reading, studying, and understanding through other media sources from the literature, book, and document. Secondary data used the preparation of the research is general information in the form of profile, organization structure, and selected transaction data. Method of collection data. Observative. Observative is complex process and structured process of various biological and psychological process. Of which the most important the process of observation and memory. Observation in study is done by direct in agency with collect data related to the preparation of research. This will be held in June 2032. Interview method. Interview in meeting two persons for exchange information and idea through customer so that contribution meaning in the something topic certain. In the study, this researcher do ask answer by direct with the parties involved in preparation of the final project research. Document. Documents are record of events that have passed. Document can be the form of writing, picture, or momental work of the person. This technique is done by studying exciting data. The data used by research is document in the form of photo of production. Writing method. Thought description. The method of data analysis in the study includes qualitative description method. According to Lenny Windasari, define that quantitative descriptive analysis is analysis used comparing the theories obtained from the result of the literature study with data obtained during survey and field study. Quantitative descriptive in analytical method that describe a phenomena by using number in addition to using quantitative descriptive method. This research also used other data analysis method, namely by using activity-based costing system on the cost of goods not printed dessert. Calculation of raw material is calculated by multiplying the amount quantity of raw material purchased by the unit price. To calculate the direct labor cost of the calculate the number of works times the salary per person times the number of day worked per month. Factor overhead costs will be calculated one by one according to the use of one product from the factory output. Data analysis technique, qualitative and quantitative data. So finish my presentation. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.